Today we're going to be talking about the rock life cycle. There are three different types of rock. One, an igneous rock, then a sedimentary rock, and lastly, a metamorphic rock. The first one is a igneous rock. An igneous rock happens when deep under the Earth's surface, the rocks in the mantle get compressed into magma. So when the magma starts to rise out and come out as lava, the lava interacts with the cool air. This then turns it into a rock. This rock is called igneous rock. And if you're wondering, this would be the real life igneous rock. This is granite. Next is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock happens when weathering, erosion, and deposition happens. Weathering is what breaks down the rocks. Erosion is what carries the rock from one place to another, and deposition is where the rocks are deposited. In this case, the igneous rocks will break down by weathering, erode down like water or by wind, and deposit somewhere else. After the deposition, when a huge clump of these sediment rocks start to form together and all just smash up into one, it is called sedimentary rock. An example, this. This is limestone. Next, we have metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock happens after the years of sedimentary rock. So when the sedimentary rock, it stays in one place, right? After the deposition. So after that, the soil starts to build up and up on it. This small heat and pressure starts to climb on top of the sedimentary rock. Slowly the rock starts to change from bunches of sediments to a flat surface. This rock is slate. You can see how flat it is due to the pressure and also the heat. These are the three main rocks, and also fun fact, it doesn't all just have to start from igneous rock. It can start from anywhere in the cycle. It can even turn from metamorphic, back to sedimentary, back to igneous. Whatever way. There's no particular order on how the rock's life cycle moves. So now let's do a candy demonstration. So for this we used a bunch of Starburst and we cut them into fourths. So as you can see, we have a bunch of Starburst over here. We're going to start at the sedimentary rock point. So as you can see, just like I said earlier, all the sediments, which are these very small parts, start to gather up together. And through this gathering, they start to come all as one. So I'm going to stick these all into one part, using my hands so I can turn it into a ball. I'm just gonna stick a bunch of these together. In case, you know. Okay, so I found the biggest piece, which is this. I'm going to be using it as the example. So when these sediments all climb together, it's called sedimentary rock. However, over the years, the soil starts to build up on top of the rock, which then makes it underground. And we're going to be demonstrating the metamorphic rock. So we're going to be using this. We're slowly going to start smoothing it out, just like we have on the slate over here. We'll put this first. What we'll do is we'll put it in a Ziploc bag, so it stays like in one location and it won't be hard. Then we're going to smush it. So as I'm doing this, I am applying heat and pressure. The heat is coming with the contact and the pressure is coming from this. Okay, we're back. Let's see. Oh my god, look how flat it is. So this definitely symbolizes metamorphic rock. It changed the form from being this huge clump to basically this very flat piece, just like a slate. This sedimentary represents the limestone. Lastly, we're going to turn it into granite. Granite is an igneous rock, which means this all will have to be melted. We're going to put it in this bowl and we're going to put it in the microwave for some time. After that, we'll take it out. So we're going to put it for 30 seconds so it'll melt and then it'll cool off through the air. Oh my god. So this would be the igneous rock. Right now it's molten lava, as you can see. And we're gonna let it rest in the air, and we'll come back and see how much cooling it has happened. This shows that sedimentary rock as big as this can turn into metamorphic rock as flat as this, and igneous rock. This is all about rocks and the rock life cycle, and also our candy experiment.